For 65 years, IRRI has helped feed the world through science. But the challenges facing rice systems today have massively changed from the challenges that IRRI was built for. Today, challenges are deeply interconnected. Climate change, nature loss, market volatility, farmer livelihoods. Food systems now sit at the intersection of all of them. No single technology or institution can solve the future of food security alone. This really shaped a major shift for IRRI in 2025. Because innovation only matters if it reaches people. With the launch of our 2025-2030 strategy, we are evolving from being primarily a research generator into an integrator of solutions across rice-based food systems, connecting science with policy, financing, technology, and the partnerships needed to scale impact in the real world. This year, IRRI advanced more than 60 next-generation rice varieties, expanded digital advisory systems reaching hundreds of thousands of farmers, and supported the scaling of low-emission rice systems across nearly 2 million hectares. But more importantly, we strengthened the platforms and partnerships needed to move these solutions further, faster, and at greater scale. What this annual report reflects is not only a year of scientific progress, but a clearer understanding of IRRI's role in a rapidly changing world, helping countries build food systems that are more resilient, sustainable, and prepared for the future.